Here's a situation that can be termed as a conditional probability. Darren drives to work each day. The probability that he's on time is very dependent on the weather. The probability it's poor weather is 1 out of 10. When it's poor weather, he'll be late 2 out of 5 times. When it's good weather, he'll be late 1 out of 8 times. We're asked to complete the probability tree and calculate the probability that he will be late. Then we have to answer how many days out of 20 that he works in a month will we predict he will be late. The first thing to consider is whether or not the weather will be poor or good. So we'll put those two outcomes at the end of the first set of branches. If the chance there will be poor weather is 1 out of 10, then the chance it will be good weather will be 9 out of 10. We need to calculate whether he will be late in either case, so we can label these branches as either late or on time for both sets of branches. If there is poor weather, then the chance he'll be late will be 2 over 5, so the chance he'll be on time when there's bad weather will be 3 over 5. If there's good weather, the chance he'll be late is 1 over 8, so the chance he'll be on time in good weather will be 7 over 8. We've now completed the probability tree. The next part of the question is to calculate the probability that he'll be late, and there are two branches that will give us this outcome: when there's good weather and when there's poor weather. The probability when there is poor weather will be 1 over 10 multiplied by 2 over 5, which will give us 2 over 50. When there's good weather, the probability will be the product of 9 over 10 and 1 over 8, which will give us 9 over 80. If we add these together, we get 61 over 400, which you may want to turn into a decimal of 0.1525. So it looks like just over 15% of the time. This is going to be the overall probability that he'll be late. Now we're asked how many times out of the 20 work days that he'll be late. And we can use the probability that we've just worked out, multiply it by 20 to predict that. We'll multiply 20 by 0.1525 to get 3.05. So he'll be late roughly 3 days in the month. So the answer to the question is that we predict he will be late 3 days in that month.